Hey tech fans, OnePlus just dropped the Buds 4 earbuds with a sleek 43mm Watch 3 in the US, packed with killer features. Are these your next must-haves? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this OnePlus launch. OnePlus unleashed the Buds 4 and a compact 43mm Watch 3 across the US. With epic audio, long-lasting battery, and stylish designs, these gadgets are stealing the spotlight. Want to know what makes them shine? Keep watching! The OnePlus Watch 3 is the brand's first full-featured smartwatch in a smaller 43mm size, weighing just 37.8 grams with a stainless steel build. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 and a low-power chip, delivers up to 60 hours in smart mode or 7 days in power saver mode. Available in silver steel and black steel, it's a sleek, long-lasting companion for your wrist. The OnePlus Buds 4 bring premium audio with dual 11mm and 6mm drivers supporting high-res audio, LHDC 5.0 and 3D audio for immersive sound. With smart noise cancellation and low latency performance, they're perfect for music, gaming, or calls. These earbuds deliver a crystal clear, high-quality listening experience that rivals the best. The Buds 4 and Watch 3 show OnePlus stepping up with premium and compact designs and top-tier performance. The Watch's epic battery life and the Buds' rich audio make them ideal for tech lovers on the go. Available now in the US, they're ready to compete with Apple and Samsung. Are these OnePlus's best yet? The OnePlus Buds 4 and 3 are on sale now in the US. Whether you're vibing to the Buds 3D audio or rocking the watch's sleek look, these are must-checks. Which one's calling your name? Drop it below. That's the scoop on OnePlus Buds 4 and Watch 3S's US launch. Are you hyped for the Buds' killer sound or the watch's crazy battery life? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.